What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Dog, man. Today, y'all, we about to be turning the Chrysler 300S into a Hellcat, bro.
Mouth. Nice.
What I mean by that, bro, let me show y'all, bro. Y'all see the 300S? We got the 300S looking nice and pretty. And I need a car wash, low key, man. What do y'all think I'm about to do to this, bro? To turn this into a Hellcat, bro. You know what I'm saying? I already know we got the tips and everything and the diffuser and everything like that, bro. So it's not that much we got. We can't add to the car besides the hood, y'all. Today we about to change the hood of the Chrysler 300S, bro. This thing is about to look tough as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all the hood, y'all. So y'all see it right here, man. Hey, man, y'all already see what's going on, man. The big Hellcat VIPER hood. This thing, I ain't gonna lie. This thing is tough as hell, bro. You gonna figure out how to put it on. Y'all know Dog don't know nothing about building cars or breaking a car down, bro. So today we gonna figure it out. Simple.
I hope so.
Okay. Y'all see it right here, man. Big VIPER hood, bro. We gotta, I ain't gonna lie. I got somebody coming through right now to get the tools and everything like that. And then we gonna put that thing on. Oh, y'all see, this is the stock 300S hood. It got a couple of divots in it. They got 3 divots, one right there, one right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's straight. You know what I'm saying? It ain't terrible at all, but that VIPER hood is so much more. What the? But this is the before, man. The before of the Chrysler 300S, bro.
Don't get my outfit. Why would you do that?
What, you want your head?
What the hell? Oh my God.
No.
Your head on swole too. Your head big as shit.
Leave my head alone.
Bro, my shit ain't that bad.
You're ugly. You are disgusting. I'm gonna kill you.
You got more
Forehead bigger, y'all. I heard. Oh man.
I think you got it.
Yo shit.
You got it.
I heard somebody say like 13. That would be nothing pretty about this. Let's go back.
You don't want that forehead?
My forehead look big for real?
It looks how it usually does.
Oh, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I should just ride in traffic with no hood.
Let's not do that.
Oh, God.
Ain't that dangerous?
No. Heavy. Oh my God, heavy quick.
Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch.
Today, y'all, is a brand new day, man. Today is day 2. We installed the hood yesterday, y'all. Seen that already. Now we about to get it actually painted to match up perfectly, bro. So I found somebody in the city, man, that's doing my stuff for a good price, bro. Good quality work, bro. And we gonna see how I look after. Simple as that. Hang on, so we're gonna black all this out. Gonna black those out. Get a couple over there. Then we're gonna get this white to match. Y'all see the 2 different color whites, bro? We're gonna match them up right. It's gonna be tough.
A few moments later.
Yeah, let me get that light with it. That shit clean as hell. Yeah.
1 day later.
All right, y'all, today is the next day, man. My boy Kid, the one who painted my hood, said wait 24 hours before we drive it, let it sit so the paint can stick, you feel me? So today it's been 24 hours exactly, bro. Exactly, bro. What time is it right now, bro? It's 6:59 p.m. right now, you know what I'm saying? Next day type shit, you feel me? Hey, let me show y'all the brand new hood, bro. This thing looks crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Shit, let's go check it out real quick, man. Let me show y'all this thing, man. This thing is beautiful, bro. Hey, man, I just want to say thank you to everybody who supports your boy. I would just want to say thank y'all, bro, because I wouldn't be able to do this without y'all, bro. Like, this thing looks tough, y'all. Y'all already see what's going on, man. Here the new hood, man. Hey, y'all see, I gotta drill some holes, bro, because my wiper fluid, I don't got nowhere to hang, bro. So I gotta drill some holes here so that can hang. But here the hood, man. Let me show y'all the finished product, bro. After the paint, you feel me? Y'all already know how the car looked before the hood and before the paint. Now look at it now, bro. Hold on. Let me show y'all that. This thing looks crazy. And my boy Kid said he gonna basically black these little, you know what I'm saying, vents out. He gonna black the vents out and everything like that. But y'all see the paint is perfect, bro. The white matches, bro, perfectly, bro. Perfectly, bro. Y'all see it with your own eyes, bro. This thing is looking like a straight demon, y'all. All right, now I need y'all to rate the hood 1 through 10 right now, bro. How's it looking to y'all boys, bro? This thing looking too tough. But y'all see, is that bird poop? Oh! They already hating on your boy. That's sick as hell. Y'all see it, bro. The new Hellcat painted hood, bro. This thing is looking too sweet, bro. Y'all already know how the back look. We ain't gonna do nothing else to the back, man. But this thing is looking too tough. Now, bro, like when I'm in the car, bro, now I got that little, y'all see the little, it's like a little bump now. I got a little hump to it now. At first, if y'all watch like my old POVs before the hood, bro, I didn't have the little bump. Now I got the little bumpy right there, bro. This thing looking hard as hell. Like, bruh, this thing is too sweet, bruh. And I can't wait to really black these out, y'all. Here's the finished product of the hood, bro. This thing is looking too tough, bro. Shit, we finna drive it for the first time with the new hood, bro. We gotta do a little quick POV. This is a cool little quick POV with the new Hellcat hood, bro. This thing is too smooth. I ain't gonna lie, we don't got no gas. We got 51 miles left, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we finna go to the gas station real quick, no kizzy. But like I said, man, I'm gonna need y'all to rate the hood 1 through 10, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the hood, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I think we're done with all the cosmetics. Like the outside of the car, like how it looks, I think we're done, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. The only thing I would add is maybe the blue stripes, maybe, to match the Brimbos, bro. But y'all let me know if I should do that, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, the new hood is straight. I just gotta get them holes so I can get my wiper fluids in there, but. Ooh, that thing too nasty, man. I'm actually hella excited, bro. Now we done with the outside of the car. Now we got to get into the inside. Now we about to do the engine work. We about to get, I ain't gonna lie, y'all gonna see what we gonna do, but this thing gonna be a scat pack killer, simple. The only thing that's gonna be beating us for real is really a cat, for real. I ain't gonna lie, the hood was very easy to put on and everything, bro. Easy to put on. My paint guy got me in easy. And everything looking straight, bro. Let's see what these prices looking like, though. Hold on. Okay, 313 for unleaded. You know what I'm saying? But how much that premium, goddamn? That's what we got to put the premium in this hole. Moment of truth, y'all. Hey, this is the worst part about having a Mopar car, a Chrysler, goddamn Charger, what a Challenger. This is the worst part right here, bro. The gas, my nigga. That shit, gas is ass. I ain't gonna lie, it shouldn't be no motor. Oh, $3.60. I ain't gonna lie. That's a steal, nigga. Ain't gonna lie, I'm only putting $5 worth in. I'm broke. We gonna stop this right at 5, G. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button right now and run the views up, bro. So I can actually get a full tank of gas. Oh! I'm tripping. I talked to y'all too. Yep, we done. Nope. Ain't gonna lie, G, y'all owe me $1. I was only supposed to put 5 in there, bro. Yeah, man, I just want to say thank y'all, bro, for everything, bro. I couldn't have bought this hood without y'all, bro, without y'all support and stuff like that, bro. So shout out to y'all, man. Hey, I love y'all boys, man. Let's take one more look at the car, man. One more look at the car, bro, real quick, bro, while it's running. You feel me? At nighttime, I know at nighttime it look crazy. I know at nighttime it probably looks stupid, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but this thing looking straight crazy now, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I might get a front splitter, bro. Y'all let me know if I should do that, though. But we gonna black these out, and then we straight, bro. But pretty much it with the Hellcat hood, man. Hey, drop a like, drop a sub. I'm gonna see y'all next video. Next video gonna be lit, man. Sunday Fun Day is coming right around the corner, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe and turn notifications on. I'm out this thing, bro.